May Allah's peace and blessing be upon you all. My name is Ran and I'm a student at the College of General Medicine and also studying in diploma course in English translation. Today I'd like to discuss about some of the benefits that I've experienced during this course. One of my biggest goals was to be able to speak English clearly and freely and confidently without overthinking. But now, alhamdulillah, I'm happy to say that now I can speak and express myself much better. And what makes me even more satisfied is the amazing staff of Translation Diploma program. They are incredibly supportive and dedicated, especially our respected teacher who have golden hearts and they keep helping us and teaching us without getting tired or frustrated. And another strong point of that course is that you're always in active learning environment. And this is the opposite of what some people say, we started but couldn't continue. I believe one of the biggest challenges in learning new languages, not being consistent. But in that course, we have regular in-person classes with the teacher who explain all or every topics clearly that we can fully benefit. And we also have weekly quizzes which help us track our progress in improving further. All of these and much more has helped me to grow in all skills of the language, even though I'm still in the 4th month of this course. That's why I consider joining Translation Diploma course one of my best decisions that I've ever made, and I highly recommend that course to anyone who wants to learn English in an effective way.